Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable TD Ameritrade account security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable TD Ameritrade account security settings, begin by visiting the TD Ameritrade website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu located at the top of the page. Select the My Profile option from the drop-down menu. In the My Profile section, locate and click on Security Settings. Here, you will find various security options to enhance your account. Start by enabling two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. To do this, click the toggle button for two-factor authentication. You will then be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving. Select either a text message or an authentication app. If you choose text messaging, enter your mobile number and confirm it. If using an authentication app, follow the instructions to link it to your account. After setting up two-factor authentication, scroll down to review other security options. Consider setting up security questions for account recovery. Choose questions that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Make sure to save your changes after updating your security settings. Next, review the option for login alerts. Enabling login alerts will notify you via email or text whenever your account is accessed. Finally, periodically check for any updates or new security features offered by TD. By maintaining an updated security profile, you ensure your account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.